Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the headset and Ps4 for pairing. Charge Beat Studio 3 above 50% and power them off. Plug your Ps4 controller into the console with a USB cable so the system accepts a new audio device. Once done, power the headset on and hold the power and volume buttons to enter pairing mode. Make sure the LED flashes. You do this because Ps4 restricts Bluetooth audio, and initial wired recognition, or a stable controller connection, simplifies the next steps. Now pair and route sound. With the controller still wired, go to Ps4 settings devices audio devices and set input/output device to headset connected to controller. Make sure output to headphones is set to all audio if you want full game sound or chat audio for voice only. Once set, disconnect USB if you prefer wireless. Ps4 may keep the headset link. Adjust microphone level and volume using the headset controls and Ps4 slider so game audio and chat balance properly for comfortable. Finish setup by launching a game and joining party chat to confirm both game sound and voice chat work. If audio is missing, reconnect the controller with USB, reboot the Ps4, and re-enter Beat's pairing mode. This refreshes the Bluetooth handshake. Make sure output devices still show headset connected to controller. If problems persist, use a 3.5mm cable into the controller as a reliable fallback. This bypasses Bluetooth limitations and ensures low latency audio while you troubleshoot wireless settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.